everybody. It's time for the Reading Nest. Come on. Welcome to the Reading Nest, where books inspire you to be your best. Come on and pull up a seat now. We've got adventures to explore. Oh, welcome to the Reading Nest. Come on and shake off that stress. Come on and pull up a seat now. Grab a book and dive right in. Okay, find your listening ears.
Hey everyone, and welcome to The Reading Nest, a Hawkins Learning original only on YouTube. If you're ready to hear a great story, then grab a snack and join me at the nest. See you soon. Welcome to the nest. If you're ready to hear a great story, then you're in the right place. But before we read our story, I have a special book to share with you in our new segment titled The Book Nook. So if you're ready to learn about a new book, join me at the Nook. See you there. Welcome to the Book Nook. Our first book today in the Nook is titled The ABCs of Cooking in Maya's World, written by Carlena Davis. This book will take us on a tour of the kitchen using the alphabet. From letters A to Z, this book empowers kids in the kitchen and teaches them about the joy of cooking. Each kid will learn about different techniques and tools they use in the kitchen and about grilling and frying. So if you want to add this book to your collection at home, click the link below so you can have your copy today. Remember, if you want to teach your kids about cooking, grab a copy of the ABCs of Cooking in Maya's World. I hope you enjoyed our first book in the Book Nook titled The ABCs of Cooking in Maya's World, written by Carlena Davis. Now, if you're ready to hear our story for today, grab a snack because we're about to read Sail, written by Dorien Bouwers. This book takes us on an adventure in the ocean, understanding that life is just a sail away. So let's read Sail, written by Dorien Bouwers. We all have ships to sail in life's adventurous tale. Yacht, tug, skiff, or barge, brig, raft, little or large. Step on board and leave the shore. Prepare yourself to discover more. Raise the anchor and set the course. Follow your heart. Use the wind's force. Befriend the ocean and sail the high seas. Ride the wild waters to go where you please. Some waves may seem too big, too strong, but courage rarely steers you wrong. When the wind refuses to blow your way, adjust the sails without delay. Hold on tight, the tide will turn. Right now, there's so much more to learn. And if you ever do fall in, it's time to try your best to swim. Know you're right where you need to be, discovering new parts of the sea. Search the ocean for the light. Breathe in deep and don't lose sight. But should your head dip right under, open your eyes. There's a world of wonder. Powerful wisdom is found in the deep. Rock bottom is where you'll find treasures to keep. Ride a current back to your boat. In time, you'll find yourself afloat. So cast your net wide, Seek and you will find. Use a compass or a star, and you will go far. The end. I hope you enjoyed all our stories today here at the Nest. Remember, when life gets tough, look ahead and continue to set sail. Until next time from the Nest. Bye!
Writing. Okay, find your listening ears.
If you enjoy listening to all our stories here at the Reading Nest, click the like and subscribe button to hear more here at the Reading Nest. Until next time, bye!